guys, it's Taylor and welcome back to my channel. Today, me and my brother.
Hey, what's up guys? It's your boy Riley Muff here.
Anywho, today me and Riley will be doing the Blindfolded Slime Challenge.
Yeah, I'm a big slime fan myself, so I'm happy to be part of this video.
Yeah. Go check out his Instagram, his slime Instagram, Ooshi Gooshi Slimes, something like that.
Yeah, put the link in the bio.
If I can. Yeah. So anywho, hope you guys enjoy this. Like, subscribe, and yeah. Let's get started. First, we need our dad to mix up all the ingredients. So, like, we have glue, we have some glitter, some paint, and glitter glue, and borax solution. So, yeah. Now we need to get on our blindfolds, and our dad's gonna mix all the things up. Riley, get on your blindfold.
Oh, sure. Oh yeah, I'm real excited. Slime is like a passion of mine.
It's slipping.
I can kind of see out the bottom of this, but like, I'm gonna try not to peek.
Yeah, same with me, because mine is slipping.
Okay.
Can I put my hands in yet?
Yes, you can pick your glue. There's clear and regular.
Oh, wait. Wait, so we have to make the slime blindfolded?
Yes. Did you not get the memo?
Oh, I thought we were just like feeling slime.
No, do you see it?
I don't know how to make slime.
You do.
Okay. Alright.
Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna try this first.
Sorry guys if something's in the camera.
What if it misses the bowl?
That's his ultimate fail. Make sure it's not.
Is it coming out?
Don't put too much.
Hey, I thought you had your blindfold on.
I am.
No cheating.
You said, is it going in the bowl? Like I have.
Ah, my phone just dropped. How do you...
Sorry guys, I'm coming back. Okay.
Some of that in.
I'm scared. Guys, I have no idea.
Wait, what's borax?
It's the thing. Oh, I found glitter. Yes.
Oh, I found a lot of glitter too.
I think I just used the whole glitter thing. Okay.
I want to get it on my jacket.
Oh, here's borax solution. Yes.
Heck
Wait,
is this?
is this water? No, I didn't put water in.
Just water?
No. I didn't put water
I don't know
in.
what this is.
Ooh.
Feels mushy.
What?
Ow, it's stinging my hand. Ow.
It's stinging? Oh no. Wait, need to.
Yeah, I have like a cut on my hand. It just like burned it severely.
Oh no. It's not borax. Well, I
Hold
don't
on, I'm gonna peek for a second.
What?
I just need to find the borax, my bad.
Oh my gosh. Sorry guys, he's cheating.
And I need to open it too. Sorry.
Why am I like...
Alright, go back. It's coming out. There it comes.
Wait, what are you using?
I don't know.
Oh, no. I'm sorry. I gotta stop this. That's way too much borax.
Okay.
Hold on.
Wait, bring it back.
Wait, Riley, what did you put in it?
Borax.
I'm using the borax, Riley.
You can't dump it out of the container, Riley. That'll hurt your hands, I think.
No, it won't.
Okay.
Riley, what are you putting in? I have the borax.
No more borax.
I have the borax.
He dumped all the powder into
The powder? Are you dumb, Riley?
Huh?
That's not what you put in
Well,
there.
I mean, how am I supposed to know? I can't see.
Hold on, I'm gonna peek for a second. What?
No, it doesn't matter that you can't see. Don't dump borax that you know is in the box.
Riley, you're supposed to put the water.
Those are like marshmallows.
Riley, I have the borax. I have the activator.
Huh?
It's right here.
Oh, stop.
Ow.
Stop.
Where?
This is gonna be it, you guys, and then you need to clean this up.
Okay, here's mine.
Jeffrey, have you given water?
What I'm hoping.
This weekend?
Sorry, guys, for the background noises. So what I'm hoping is like a really pretty blue and sparkly orange. I kind of like those two colors together. So, Riley, what are you hoping for?
Well, one time I made a pretty brown slime and it came out really well and I liked it. So, I mean, I guess I kind of want it to be brown again.
Okay,
I think it's
guys,
going to come up brown too.
I overactivated this, so yeah.
Some of it just went on my leg.
Oh, this is my bowl. I had no clue. I'm just gonna dump the extra borax in there.
You like this shirt, honey? It's kind of winter.
Sorry for the background noises. It's my parents talking.
Yeah. Quiet down.
Okay, so I'm done.
Making a slime video here.
And you should have gone somewhere else. Like in your basement.
Okay.
Oh, can I be done too?
No, yours isn't done.
I'm done.
No.
All right, the big reveal. Ooh, my hands are like.
Here. Oh my gosh, guys.
Wow.
Riley, did you even show them once what it was?
Oh, wow. It's blue.
Guys, I'm gonna get an up close
give it
on
my
this. So here's Riley's.
Ew, it came out blue. That's like, I really like the color.
This is what I was kind of hoping for. So Riley added in the actual borax powder.
I like it because it's not sticky.
Well, because there's like borax solution everywhere.
What's the powder?
This is Riley, I
Yeah, and
think.
I had to dump about a half a cup of this out.
This is mine. It's
I think I used like half the box.
yeah. So this is mine. It's really overactivated. It's not sticky, and yeah. Okay, guys. You enjoyed this.
Looks like I won this challenge today. It's fine. Yours was like yellow, which is not as good of a color.
I don't even know what. Did I use this glitter glue? I don't even know what glitter glue I used because I can't see it. I have no idea what glitter glue. This is so confusing. Anywho, thanks for.
Feels a little too lumpy for me.
Well, because you added powder in it. Ew. Okay, thank you guys for watching today's video. Hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe.
Check out Ushi Yushi Slime on Instagram.
Yeah. And Slimely_style on Instagram. That's me and my friend's slime Instagram. So please do that. We really need help because we don't have many followers. But yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment down below more like suggestions of slime challenges, and subscribe to our channel.
See, mine's like watery, but it's also really like hard. It feels like there's like rocks in it or something.
Yeah, because you added borax powder. Okay, anyway, thanks for watching. Bye!